Good morning student, I am Virnesh Jaiswal again welcomes you in your moral classes. Today I am going to teach you about the third chapter of your moral values, that is God's message. This is the chapter to teach us that God is everywhere. Okay student? So start the chapter. This chapter is about a woman who was really troubled. So he prayed the God intentionally, and after hearing her prayer, the God became happy and appeared before her. The God blessed her and asked her about her problem. On this, the woman told that she had a dream in which she saw two footprints, and she thought that amongst of that two footprints were footprints of mine, but she could not understand that whose footprints was another, and that is why she wants to know the region of the second footprints, and she remember the God. On this, the God replied and explained her that the another footprints was of the God. It means it was his footprints which was always walking with the woman. On this, the woman continued that, my lord, when I had happy and good times, your footprints were behind me. What was its reason? On this, the God explained that when you are happy and well off, I walk silently behind you and allow you to enjoy the fruit of your good time. Then further the lady asked, and in my troubled time, I walked the footprint beside me. What was its reason? Then the God explained that when you are in trouble, I walk besides you and I guide you that what you have to do and what you don't have to do. And at last the woman asked, but in the rust of my troubles, I could see only one footprints. What was the reason about it? On this, the God smiled and told, my dear, on that time the footprint was only mine, as I was carrying you on my back. So don't you think that in your bad time I was not with you. I am always with you and I am always support to you. I always give my blessing to you. Okay students, so you can see that God never leaves the hand of his people, his children, and God always support his children in every way. So students, always remember, if God is all you have all you need. तो बच्चों, इस कहानी से हमें यही शिक्षा मिलती है कि अगर हम भगवान पे भरोसा करके जो कुछ भी हमारे पास है उसे भगवान को समर्पित करते हैं तो भगवान हमारे ज़रूरत की सभी चीज़ें हमें ज़रूर देता है. सो बिलीव इन द गॉड एंड डू योर बेस्ट, फॉरगेट द रेस्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ डिस्कस अबाउट सम exercises. So see, tell talk. First question is given, who was praying to the Almighty? Then it was the troubled woman who was praying to the Almighty. What did the troubled woman saw in her dream? The troubled woman saw two footprints in her dream. Whose was the other pair of footprints on the path of her life? The other pair of footprints was of God on the path of her life. Why was the footprints of the God behind the woman? When the woman had happy time, then the footprints of the God was behind the woman so that she could enjoy the fruit of her good deeds. Why only one pair of footprints was there? In the rust of troubled, the God was carrying the woman on her shoulder, so there was only one pair of footprints. Okay, now see all the exercises and complete it by your own self. Okay, that's all. Thank you.